Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HMD Pulse Pro to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then click on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of HMD and receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on HMD you need to choose all of those categories at the top and from them select multiple files to transfer. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and hit Receive. To scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!